Hello folks, I have two
Stop recording video. Stop recording video. Speech off.
things to unbox. There are two Star Wars items. I don't know if I'm going to unbox one, but I'm unboxing one of them. So we have Grogu from the Mandalorian. And if I squeeze here, he makes noise. I think there's a wee thicker in there too, I think it's Grogu, but I'm not too sure. I don't think we'll unbox this one. Okay. And then we have Djarin, the Mandalorian. And if you press there,
Grogu.
we're unboxing him now, okay? So I'm just gonna...
Hands up.
It's terrible cutting up your nails. Yeah, just do that. And then you rip there. You just do this. Right? Instructions. We need that. Let's lay this out. Right. Now I will start by detaching din. We'll detach din first, right? Maybe a second. And then I'll get him up beside my Imperial Stormtrooper. Have a little bit of fun, if you will. What should we do? Do the jetpack. I'll do... Oh, right. Yeah, the jetpack's much looser, so if I can just... maybe not. Three. So just lay that out. Right there. Ah, dang fabric, it's on both sides. Yep, there's the blaster out. Then we'll just slide it, unwrap this like so. Oh, nice long arm. I'll actually holster that in his holster here. D16. We'll set that there. And look at the jetpack right here. Huh, it's a nice one. Now if you just do that with the box. Set that there for a wee second. And then just pop this right there. Twist this here with that. I'm debating if I should not do what I'm about to do. Nice jetpack! Huh? Oh! Nice jetpack. So we have his blaster, his jetpack. Now I just need to get din out. A bit more difficult than what you seem to think. Flip him over this way. Must be his shoulder arm. Yeah, we're not taking out Grogu because we already have Grogu in Din's arms. So we'll keep Grogu in the case for Grogu at least. So Din's arm's able to move up. And slide that off there. What else came off? Let me holster his rifle then. Pistol even. Oh yeah, much better. Then we do his head. The Mandalorian. Just give me a wee second, folks. I'm just getting all the pieces out here. So if you give me a wee second, then I can. Ah, so he's not going to move his legs. So he's not, his leg won't move. So he'll almost be like a fucking statue. Let me get this one out. She'll be alright. Inform Lord Vader we have a prisoner. Let's take another stormtrooper in there from Star Wars. Okay, so just getting Djarin out of his packaging still, folks. If you want to skip forward through the video, it'll be appreciated for both of us, I presume. It's not. Majority of Djarin's out there. Now it's just his, well, his head's keeping him on. Right, let's do the head now. And this should be us. Almost done with Djarin. Surprisingly more effective. I know about your Skywalker. What you've done with Tusken Raiders. Right, so that is Djarin completely off the
Time's up, kid. We gotta get out of here.
and then when does he make plaster sounds when you load his pistol? No, he doesn't. So is there a way to turn him to a different sound, like a different voice, or not voice, I mean okay. Pew pew. Jetpack, please. Thank you. Ah. So the jetpack slides in there. Or you can lift that up there. Just slide it. You're not gonna fire? So, how do you... There's better be a switch or something, isn't there? Here, change the setting. Not the set. Not the setting, even the fucking... There needs to be a switch. There just has to be a switch. Is there a fucking switch? Hello? No? I doubt it. Can't feel a switch. Can you even see a switch on it? Not with Grogu, no.
Grogu.
Holster your pistol, man, dude. No.
Time's up, kid. We gotta get out of here.
Now you're stuck, are you?
This is the way.
Yeah, let me move out there and see if there's a fucking switch. 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 Hello, is there a switch? There needs to be a bloody switch.
This is the way. Wherever I go, he goes.
No, there needs to be a fucking switch to make him fly and shoot. Is there a switch? Is there a switch? No,
Time's
there.
up. Grogu.
Mandalorian. You gotta be kidding me, right? The Empire down there plays the glass. No, we're not. There's no switch. Is there not? No. Didn't think so, to be honest. Delightful. There needs to be a switch somewhere.
Time's up, kid. We gotta get out of here.
Well, that's it. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Grogu.